Hello and thanks for your interest in our Deluxe Pro Vacuum Sealer. The Deluxe Pro model is designed with professional features to help make all of your vacuum sealing jobs at home a breeze. Vacuum sealing your food at home is a great way to preserve food, reduce waste and save money. So let's have a look at the key features of our Deluxe Pro model. First up, our Deluxe Pro has a built-in bag roll holder and cutter for convenience when cutting your bag to size. It comes with a reliable Luvele dual seal line for a more solid and thorough seal. We include our Smart Seal technology, which gives it the ability to vacuum seal up to 100 bags in a row without needing a rest. Next is our Easy Lock handle. The Easy Lock handle has been designed so no pressure is required to close the lid and lock a bag into position ready for vacuum sealing. With a gentle push, the Easy Lock handle clips the lid closed and your vacuum sealing can begin. The Deluxe Pro also has our pulse button feature. This is used when full control of the vacuuming process is required. For example, when vacuum sealing delicate, moist and liquid items, less vacuum pressure may be required before the bag is sealed. The pulse button gives you full control. Our Deluxe Pro also has the largest motor of our vacuum sealer range with 140 watts of power. And we cover our Deluxe Pro with our 2-year warranty. Finally, our Deluxe Pro vacuum sealer is compatible with our glass vacuum container set. We will link a video below of a demo showing these in action with our Deluxe Pro. So let's give you a quick demo of the Deluxe Pro. Today we'll be vacuum sealing an avocado. First up, we're going to cut some bag roll to size. Simply place your bag roll in the bag roll holder, lift up the cutting arm and pull out some bag roll. Use the cutting arm to cut the bag roll to size. We have our bag cut and we're ready now to seal one end shut. Simply place one end in the vacuum chamber and close the lid. You'll then press down the Easy Lock handle into the lock position. Once this is locked, press the manual seal button to seal it shut. The sealing process will begin, and when the progress lights have switched off, you can lift up the Easy Lock handle. And that's our bag roll sealed on one end. We're now ready to load it with our avocados. When filling your bag, be sure to place the food towards the bottom as best you can. Our bag is packed and we're now ready to vacuum seal it. Place the open end of the bag in the vacuum chamber, making sure there is at least 5 centimeters of flat bag between the seal line and the top of the food. This will allow for much better vacuum sealing outcomes. Our bag is in position. Once again, we're going to close the lid and press down the Easy Lock handle into the lock position. For our vacuum settings, we're going to select normal for our vacuum pressure and we're going to select moist for our food. Then we can go ahead and press the Auto Vac button to begin the vacuum sealing. Once the progress bar has switched off, lift up your Easy Lock handle and the lid, and there we have it, our perfectly vacuum sealed avocados ready for storage. When you have finished using your vacuum sealer, be sure to place the handle in the store position. This prevents the foam gaskets from becoming compressed or damaged. You can then store it flat or on its side with our specifically designed horizontal feet. To order your Deluxe Pro today, please visit our website. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting product releases and healthy eating inspiration. We'll see you again soon.